This is Cruising Girl back with another video. I just got a Oneisall in the mail, a pet grooming vacuum cleaner. I'm excited to see how well this works. So this is how it sounds when it's turned on. Nice and quiet. And I guess you get different speeds. Oh, there's something in here. Let me make sure I get everything out I'm supposed to get out. I'm gonna have to open this bad boy up. Ooh. Oh, that's a bag that comes with it. So I guess this is, you could, after you're done, you put everything in here. So yeah, make sure you get that out before you before you use it. Thank God I actually. So anyways, let me put this back on. Pretty easy to take off and on. I did with that. Let me see how I did it. Place it back. Okay, it's right in there. It's pretty easy. All right. Let me try that again. I guess I could turn on. In different speeds. This is pretty nice. I'm excited when I've tried on my doggies. Come on, German Shepherd. You got to get some of this. Now you'll have a turn at it. Ooh. Collecting. Anything going in here? Yeah, I see some fur flying in there. Yeah, it's in there. You have a lot of fur, so I'll be here for a while.